Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video, I want us to look at how you can be able to create a splash form in your Microsoft Access project or system. So you're going to open Microsoft Access in your computer. Then you're going to create a form. And for this case, I'm going to create a Moodle.dialog form. Then I'm going to remove these controls, both of them. And then I'm going to adjust my form. Then you can change the back color of this form. So you can go to where you have the back. So click there and then you go to back color. So you choose the one that you want. And also you can make it more attractive. So you can go to right click. Then you go to form header or footers. And you're going to add those one. Then this one you can change the color of this one. So you put the color that you want and then you can adjust this one. Then this one you can also put the same color. Then that way, and then you can adjust this one also. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go where we have the controls. These are the controls that you can use in your form. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to add a box or a rectangle box, and this one you're just going to click there and then you drag in your form and then you draw. Then from there you're going to add a label. So this one you just click there. You can type a number. Then you can come to where you have the properties, and then this one you can change the name of that label. So this one we're going to call it label progress. So this one that will keep on changing the size depending on the time that you're going to set. Then this one you can change the back color. So this one you can put in the color that you want. So and then you can remove the caption. Okay, so once you do that, you have a label there, small like that one. Then you're going to have other labels. So you're going to click here and you're going to draw here. So this one you can call it, you can just type 1. This one you're going to call it label count. So this one will be counting the percentage. After that, you can copy and paste this one, and then you're going to place it here. And then this one you're going to change the caption to percentage. So far so good. Then we can change this one, you can format this one. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, just hit the subscription button so that I can be able to be posting more and more videos that can assist you and others in future. So you're going to adjust that one. So not the back color, sorry, but the fore color. So this one you can put color that way. And this one you can adjust it so it should be a bit bigger, because you are going to calculate up to 100. So that way, yes, that way we do. Then after doing that, we are going to do another thing. So we are going to right click, then you got to go build event, and then we are going to go to code builder. Okay, then we are going to go to form, and then we are going to go to form timer. So I have the form timer. So here, and before we reach there, there's something that you should do. You should come to properties, so you have the form, and then you're supposed to adjust the form timer So this one you put 20 time interval, so 20 will be okay. Then you can go back here, and then this one you're going to start coding. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add, so you're going to say label count, label that you have created, dot caption. So what appears on that table equals label count dot caption plus 1. So what this one will do is that it will keep increasing the values on label count by 1. Then we're going to do another one, that is label progress, another label that you have created, dot width equals label progress dot width plus 60. So the reason why we are putting 60 is because we want the size of that label to be that big. So you can opt to use 20, 30, 10, but the bigger the value that you're going to put, the bigger your label will be, the width of your label will be at the end. Then you're going to put a condition. So if label count dot caption equals 100, then so when the value on the label count reaches 100, we are going to close our splash form. So we do cmd dot close, and what you are going to close is a form, then the name of our form, which is form splash. So we're going to change our form to that one, and then save yes. And then of course we're going to close our add if. So far so good. So we can close this one, and then we are going to save this form. Remember, we have called the form splash, so it should have that name. And you can also add other things you want in your form. So like here you can come and add whatever you want to add. So the name of a system. So doing that, and then you can format your, so you can format your inventory or your form the way you want. Remember, this one is not a must, but so after doing that, now we can also create another form, so that once the splash form goes off or disappears or is unloads from the system, you can be able to access another form. This one you can say sample form. So because we want, when the splash form loads to 100, it disappears, and then another form appears, maybe the login form, the main form, like that. So this will have another form. This one you can call it so you're going to save this one. So this one you can call it form test. So once you do that, you're going to change the code that you have here, and then you're going to go to build event. Then we are going to say, so after the form is, you unload that form or you close that form, we want another form to appear. So dot open form, and the form that you're going to open is this form called form test, the form that you have just created. Okay, so you can close that one, and then we can learn our. So there is a problem here. This should be label count, not lb count. So that is a problem that you have to just collect the problem, and then you can close this one, and then you can close this one also, and then we can learn our form and see what will happen. So that is how you create a splash form in Microsoft Access. Remember, I've said if not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Remember to comment, remember to like, share. Thank you for watching.